Phantom is the most popular and well-known cryptocurrency wallet on the Solana network. It is easy to use, intuitive, and functionally convenient. Phantom can be installed as a browser extension or as an app from the App Store or Google Play. To install the wallet, go to the official Phantom website. Choose the appropriate version. For browser, click Add to Browser Name. For smartphones, download the app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. If it's a browser extension, allow the installation by following the browser's instructions. If it's an app, install it on your smartphone. Once Phantom is launched, select the option Create a new wallet. Choose and securely save a strong password. This password will be required to access your wallet. Next, the app will provide you with a seed phrase, 12 words. This is the key to your wallet. Write the phrase down in a safe place and do not share it with anyone. Confirm that you have saved the phrase. Done. Your wallet is created and ready to use. You can now send, receive, and transfer cryptocurrency. To complete any transaction, a fee must be paid. In the Solana blockchain, transaction fees are minimal. To pay these fees, you need to have Solana in your wallet. To add Solana to your wallet, follow these steps. On the main screen, click Receive. In the section that opens, find Solana and click the button Copy. Your wallet address will be copied to the clipboard. To fund your wallet, send Solana to the copied address from another wallet or share this address with someone who will send you Solana. To buy Kefen, follow these steps. On the main screen, select the swap operation. In the pop-up window, choose Solana in the You Pay field. In the You Receive field, select Kefen. To select Kefen, click on the drop-down list of currencies. In the search bar, type either the name Kefen or the token address for Kefen on the Solana blockchain. Select Kefen. You will return to the swap screen. Enter the amount of Solana you wish to spend to buy Kefen. The system will calculate the purchase amount. Click Show Order, and then in the pop-up window, click Swap. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Kefen will appear in your wallet. In the future, you will be able to buy Kefen with any other currency. However, the transaction fee will still be paid in Solana.